Hi beauties, it's Joyce Queen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you on how I started strong neat dreadlocks on short natural hair using just a crochet pin. So I traveled to a place to do these dreadlocks. At first I didn't believe that I would be able to do dreadlocks on her short hair. Even me myself, I was like, ah god, this hair is too short. Like, it's very short, but I was determined. Yes, I was determined. So my dear friends, stay with me to the end. Don't skip any part of this video, as I'm going to learn step by step on how to do fresh dreadlocks on short hair. Grab your popcorn. So my dear friends, this is how I do fresh start dreadlocks. I'll first of all create the line and lock all the down. Yes, before going ahead to lock the body. So my beautiful friends, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful dreadlocks and natural hair tutorials. Give this video a thumbs up and drop your questions in the comments. I love hearing from you. lovely family, if you have actually watched to this extent, like, you are a darling. Please subscribe. It's free, my friends. Subscribe for more tutorials, and don't forget to like and share with someone starting their locks, encouraging them that they can actually do dreads on their short hair. So more hair tutorials from Joyce Queen. See you in the next video. Stay safe, that's the most important thing. Bye.